Hello, my name is Chris Gallagher, Green Office Partner. My topic is personalization. Sir Richard Branson, according to USA Today, is going to take over a chunk of the United States hotel market because he's going to give an alternative to the large impersonal hotels. So I actually signed up an account. It was unbelievable the amount of detail down to my preferred candy bar, the personalization that they're going to be offering me when I stay at their hotel. Other applications, IHG, increasing franchise sales by 16%. Okay. The Inn of the Mountain Gods, increasing room occupancy from 33 to 89%. Now let's talk about corporate events. So by having a web to print portal, what the Hyatt would be able to do is personalize the door hangers before they even walk in to their room. When they get in there, all the goodies personalized to them, and most importantly, their folder and badge right there. So tomorrow at 8 a.m., they're ready to rock. And then let's get them to renew for next year. Very, very easy. That's a taste of personalization, and thank you very, very much for your time.